Governor Andrew Cuomo has stated that he will let science, not emotion, guide his decision on whether or not to let the gas industry frack in New York State. With the gas-bearing Marcellus Shale formation underlying 50% of the state, and with the gas industry proposing upwards of 100,000 gas wells, his decision could fundamentally transform New York.
I believe that New York State should not get involved in high-volume hydraulic fracturing. Our economy is growing, and this will absolutely destroy our state. I'm very committed to the future of our state, that this doesn't happen. We need to do better, green, renewable. We need to invest and develop that, not gas and oil.
Keeping the environment and the water safe for our generation and future generation is one of the most paramount jobs of our government, of our society. It's not even a question.
Out here is the rock. We're looking in a cross-section of a well that's being drilled. Because ultimately, you want your gas to come up the steel pipe. That inch right there, this is cement. And what you don't want is for that cement to fail, or to be absent, to crack, to corrode, to crumble, to disappear. If what's down there can get into this annulus, then it can migrate.
Whoa. We're here to make a statement that the fracking companies cannot poison all our water.
Cuomo just has to get the message that New Yorkers don't want fracking. It's as simple as that. We know what's involved. We've heard from people in Pennsylvania and Ohio. We know it's not going to work.
Naomi Oreskes, author of the book Merchants of Doubt, traced disinformation campaigns from big tobacco all the way up to climate change.
When I opened your book, I saw Hill and Knowlton is the author of this strategy for tobacco, and Hill and Knowlton was hired by the American Natural Gas Association.
Oh, so there it is. So 60 years later, right, we have the same PR firm that actually invented. John Hill was the originator of this whole strategy. So there they are still doing the same thing again 50, 60 years later.
Most of the journalism out there isn't investigative journalism. It's what you call he said, she said journalism. So if someone's in the room with the media and the person says the sky is blue, then the media report that day is the sky is blue. But if someone comes in at the last minute and says, no, wait, the sky's actually pink, well, then the media report that day is going to be the facts are being debated.
I'm here today because it is just about time for our government to act on behalf of the people and on behalf of the planet. Any risk to our water supply is certain death for New York State, to all the people, human communities, non-human communities, and it has to stop.
So Governor Cuomo, without telling the public at all, came to town to give a speech. He's touring with his State of the State speech and talking about the budget. And those things don't include anything having to do with hydrofracking, which we think is crazy because it's the biggest issue in New York State. And so we came out here, there was about 40 of us rallying to make sure that Governor Cuomo knows that he can't avoid this issue and that he needs to listen to the growing grassroots effort that's saying that we don't want fracking, we don't want to compromise, we don't want to sacrifice zone in the southern tier. We all live on one planet and we can't risk our drinking water and our health and our safety just so that the gas companies can make a bunch of money.
Right to Cuomo?
Let us look at what's going on before you poison all our water.
Watch your back. If you unleash this terror upon our states, there will be consequences to pay.
Do the right thing, man.
You have a duty to protect the people of New York State, and if you fail in that duty, the comeuppance is going to be on you and the other people who refuse to acknowledge the sanctity of water and land and of human life.
Don't let this happen.